So I'm going to talk about inadequate teacher training when it comes to using technology in your classroom. If you're not comfortable with the constantly evolving use of technology and learning and feel like you're not prepared to integrate technology in your class, you are not alone. It's okay to feel unprepared when beginning to utilize technology as an assessment tool in your classroom. After all, it can change in an instant. To combat this challenge, collaboration is key. Not only can tech-savvy teachers form a tech team that helps support the campus and train teachers on up-to-date technologies, students can too. Many campuses are moving to student tech gurus that act as technology support for teachers and peers. More information on student-led tech support groups can be found in this article. And this is a video that my computer, unfortunately, will not pull up in Prezi right now. But we will put it in at the end of this Nearpod in our Google Slides presentation for you to see. I feel like this is something that my campus does well. We had a group of teachers form something called Treasure Tuesdays, and one Tuesday a month they get together and share with other teachers the technologies that they're using in their class and what that looks like and how other teachers can use it too. And so when it comes to technology, if you have questions, ask. There is someone on your campus that's going to know. And maybe you're that person that knows. So if you know a lot about technology, make sure that you're reaching out and helping those others around you. Because again, collaboration is key when it comes to making technology successful in your district.